This is the trip screen, where we can add and view our journeys. The first thing to do is to expand the input so we can record the details of our journey. We'll start by selecting one of the vehicles that we created earlier, and we'll select one of the customers from earlier as well. When we select this customer, it will use the customer's postcode that we specified on the customer's screen to populate the end postcode of our journey. The start postcode of our journey can be pre-populated optionally by your employer. So if you always begin your journeys in the same place, your employer will provide this postcode when linking with your account. At this stage, you'll see both postcodes are populated, and the distance in the bottom right of the inputs has automatically been calculated. This helps us keep your records extremely accurate. Let's go ahead and add a date. We are required to list the reason for the journey, and we can also record any passengers that we took with us for bonus reimbursement. At the top of the input box is the return button. We should only use the return button if we make 2 equivalent journeys there and back. This will log your journey twice. Now that we've logged a return journey, we can see both the inbound and outbound journeys are listed in our Completed Journeys section at the bottom. We can delete these journeys if we made a mistake. Let's add one more journey to give another example. This time we'll select a different vehicle. We're not going to select a customer this time since it's optional. We'll give the reason for our trip, we'll select one passenger, and we're going to manually type in the postcode of our destination. Again, the distance is calculated automatically for us, but in this case, let's imagine we've taken a detour or come across a road closure. We have the ability to overwrite the automatic distance calculation in any unusual circumstances. We'll add our second journey, and we can see this logged in the section below. Now that we've got some journeys logged, if we go back to the vehicle or customers screen, we'll see that those vehicles and customers that we've used now cannot be deleted, and the delete button is unavailable. One final feature to mention is the postcode lookup. If you don't know the postcode of where you went to, but you do know the business name and the town, for example, the postcode lookup feature can be very helpful. For best results, combine the business name with the town and tap search. If you have any more questions about this section, feel free to email the MileageMonster team at MileageMonster@cyberfreaksoftware.co.uk.